Dito, wala tayong hidden charges, complete finish ang turnover, one bus ride lang going to Metro Manila at literal na lilipatan mo na lang. If yan nga ang gusto mo sa isang property at matagal ka nang naghahanap, then this is your sign para magkaroon ng bahay this year 2025. Hi, I'm Kiara Pepito Sabido for another project tour and we're here in Newville Townhome. Modern ang design ng mga units natin dito kay Newville, complete amenities at exclusive din ang subdivision. And ito nga yung literal na paglabas mo ng subdivision, highway na at may bus na going to Pitec. Kaya perfect na perfect to for a starting family na gusto talagang nakabukod na. For standard inner lot, may 52 square meters ka na lote at may floor area ka na 60.4 square meters with a total improved area of 90 square meters. Dahil nga complete finish na tayo, cemented na pati carport, cemented ang service area, and literal na lilipatan mo na lang to. May 3 bedrooms ka, 2 toilet and bath, provision for a carport, and even grills kasama na yan upon turnover. And alam mo ba, upon turnover, even Meralco and water ay kasama na sa package, kaya hassle-free din ang pag-move-in mo. Maganda ang pagkaka-layout ng bahay, spacious ang floor plan, and the best part, pwede to sa Pag-ibig at bank financing. Kung ang target mo ay corner lot at end lot unit, yes, meron pa tayo niyan, pero few units left na lang at for sure paunahan. Standard inner lot nga, may down payment tayo through bank na 15,000, assuming you'll go for 10% DP, and ang estimated monthly amortization mo ay 25,000 lang. 85,000 ang required income and pwedeng-pwede ka mag-co-borrower. Kung Pag-ibig financing naman, a little bit higher ang down payment, around 41,000 zero interest, pero pagdating sa Pag-ibig, 18,000 a month na lang with 53,000 required income. Kung makahabol ka sa promo, may free ka pa na 1 air conditioning unit, kaya halos balik lang din ang reservation payment. Serve for as low as 20,000. So paano? Tara, tripping na tayo para makita mo ang actual location and our model unit and the community as a whole. Tara, link in bio or call or message us in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number. See you soon at paalam!